Good morning, students. Today I am starting a chapter 5, and the name of the chapter is Classes and Methods. Methods are also called functions. So, the main topics of the chapters are general syntax of a class, instance variable, class variable, local variable, difference between a class variable and instance variables, and what are the difference between instance function and class function, and there are the many some other topics, so we will cover in details. So here, first topic, classes in Java. So you have already know that class is a collection of similar type object, and inside a class there will be a instance variable, static variable, and a local variable. Let's take an example. Here, this is the class, and the name of the class is demo, and there are the two variable, integer a, integer b. So inside a class, a variable is declared without any static keyword. So these variables are called instance variable. And the third variable is the static integer c. So if a variable is declared inside a class with static keyword, this is called class variable. And here, this is the function void input. So similar properties will be applied on the function if a function is declared inside a class without a static keyword. So that function is called a instance function. So input is here the instance function because this is created here without a static keyword, and we are declaring a two variable, integer x and integer y, inside input function. So if a variable is declared inside any function, these variables are called local variables, and the scope of these variables will be only in that function in which they are declared. So the scope of x and y here only will be inside input function. And here we are declaring a next function. That function is a public static void main, and this function is created with static keyword. So this function is called a class function. And in this function there is a one more variable, that is integer z. So this is also called a local variable. So inside any function we can access the global variables. Here the variable which is declared outside all the functions are called a global variables. So a global variables may be an instance variables or a class variable. So we can access any global variable inside any function. So this will be valid here, but here this is the x variable which is declared inside input function, so we cannot access this variable inside a display function. A will be valid here, this is a global, and z is also a valid here because z is a local variable of display function. So here these are the definitions. A variable which is declared inside any function are called a local variables, and the scope of these variables will be only in that function in which they are declared. Next category is a global variable. So the variable which is declared outside all the functions of a class are called global variables, and these variables we can access anywhere in a function of a class. Now what is the major difference between an instance variable and a class variable? So first, instance variable is also called a non-static variable of a class because these are created without the keyword static, whereas the class variable are called the static variable because they are created with static keywords. And this is the difference, major difference. Individual copy will be generated for every object, such as if there is a 5 object of a class, so instance variables will be generated for every object, so there will be a 5 copy of instance variable, whereas in case of class variable only one value is generated for every object, and each variable will share the value of this variable. This is the difference between an instance function and a class function. So instance function are created without keyword static, and they are invoked with the help of object of a class, or we can also invoke without object. But the class function is always created with the help of static keyword, and they are invoked with the class name. So in next class we will study how we can create these functions and how we will invoke these functions.